One of the best strategy I use in maximizing my profit right in the crypto space is by positioning myself on any upcoming newly listed crypto coin, and immediately that particular crypto coin is about to be listed, then I will know which of them I want to go for, and I will always jump on that coin the first minute the coin is listed. So right on this update, I will show you how you as well can do the same thing. You'll be able to ask us for every upcoming crypto coin even before they are listed. And to do that, I'm going to be making use of my CoinMarketCap. So right now, right on my CoinMarketCap, what I'm going to do is very easy. You know, CoinMarketCap is one of the best places to do your crypto analysis, and they even have much more amazing updates for us right inside CoinMarketCap. So right now, what you have to do after getting your CoinMarketCap is for you to come right here, just scroll down, you will see this area that says Ava. So right on this Ava, what you are going to do right here is very easy. Once you click on it, just scroll up. Once you scroll up, you are going to be seeing we have a lot of options right here. We have signals, we have meme explorer, and right here you are going to see this one that says launch. After that launch, you are going to be seeing we have this one that says token unlock. Okay, so we only need one of these options, and the one you need right here is the one that says launch. Right on this launch, once you click on it, you are going to be seeing we have launch pool and we have new listing. So right on this new listing, once you click on it, you are going to be seeing a lot of crypto coins that were listed in the past. You see we have a lot of them right here. There is no any major crypto coin that is not showed up right here before they are listed. I'm sure many of us, you don't know about this, but right now I'm revealing this to you, so you can always do this and watch out on any upcoming crypto coin right on this CoinMarketCap so that you can jump on them even before they are listed. So right here, as I've told you, lot of coins listed right here, and before they are listed, you are going to be seeing them right on this option. So the next thing we are going to do right now is for us to check the upcoming coin that are about to be listed. So right here, you are going to come right here to the new listing and you will scroll up, and as you can see right here, we have a lot of upcoming coins right here that are going to be available on different crypto exchange. We have for Binance, we have for KuCoin, for Gate.io, for Mexi, and so on and so forth. So right here, you see we have this coin that is Momo Form. This coin is set to be listed on BingX, and it's going to be listed at September 13, 2025. We have another one right here, that is Yama. This Yama is set to be listed on KuCoin on September 12, 2025. And right here, you are going to be seeing the time they are going to be listed, and you are going to be seeing different timing. That is what you can see right here, the UTC. When you check out the UTC, then you know the exact time is going to be listed in your country zone. Okay, so right here we have another one right here, we have NetC. So right here, as you can see, we have a lot of coins that are about to be listed right here, and you can check everything out for yourself. Okay, so once you have decided on which of these coins you want to go for, and you want to know much more about this particular project, just click on that particular coin. And once you click on that particular coin, you are going to be seeing much more info right on that particular coin that you selected. So you see the one I selected is on KuCoin. So KuCoin is going to be listing this particular coin, and you are not going to be seeing only that coin. If you click on KuCoin for an example, every coin that is going to be listed within a week, you are going to be seeing them right on that particular exchange. And as you can see right here, this 90 is going to be listed. We also have Kong that is going to be listed. We have AVNT going to be listed, and we also have Switch going to be listed. So this is the simplest way you can check coins that are about to be listed and position yourself so that you can use this opportunity to even maximize your profits. You know, when a coin is just listed, there's going to be a lot of hype. So before the coin gets skyrocket, then you can position yourself to buy low, and when you're able to position yourself to buy low, then you can be making even much more profit than what you are supposed to make initially. But remember, this is not a financial advice. We all know crypto is highly volatile, so always do your due diligence before you jump on any crypto coin. This video is only for educational purpose. Okay, so once you have decided on this coin that you want to purchase, you can come right here and see what people are saying right about this particular crypto project, and that is what you can see right here. You see a lot of coin market users, a lot of investors talking about this particular coin. So guys, this is what I have for you right on this update. If you think this video has made sense to you one way or the other, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and make sure you turn on your notification bell. And if you are just getting started on crypto trading, maybe you are completely new and you want to learn more, I just prepared an amazing video course for everyone. Beginner like you, that video course is definitely going to help you. So if you think you are interested, then you can reach out to me by using the link right on this video description. Reach out to me that you want the newly created crypto course for beginners like you. It is only for a token. It is not free, but the price is so cheap than what you are going to be getting in that video course. If you're able to get this video course, that is all you need to get started right in the crypto space. And remember, we are approaching the bull run year where millionaires is going to be made right in the crypto space. So make sure you are not left out. When you get that course, then you'll be part of my inner circle. You can be getting daily crypto updates, daily signal to trade your future, your spot trading. Everything is right just in one course. When you get that course, you will have access to all these other benefits. So I will see you on the next one, guys. Bye for now.